Right at the entrance of Iguaçu National Park, home to the mighty Iguazu Falls, there's a place where the forest speaks first, the bird park. Start here and let the Atlantic rainforest set the tone for your day. Parque das Aves was inaugurated on October 7, 1994 by the Croukamp family, Dennis and Dr. Anna Croukamp, who moved to Brazil with a conservation dream and built the park just steps from Iguaçu National Park. Their story began years earlier in Africa, where Anna worked as a veterinarian, and the couple developed a deep devotion to birds, a passion that shaped this sanctuary in the Atlantic rainforest. 1 year after opening, Dennis became ill, and he passed away in 1996. Today, a memorial honors him inside the river and mangrove birds aviary. At the bird park, conservation isn't a backdrop. It's the whole script. The team focuses specifically on Atlantic rainforest birds, combining immersive experiences for visitors with science-driven action behind the scenes. They follow the one-plan approach, uniting fieldwork and managed populations to protect threatened species, while partnering with CPSG and participating in Brazil's national action plans for Atlantic rainforest birds. Each year, over 800,000 visitors and about 30 to 35,000 students engage with programs that measure real learning impact. On the ground, that mission looks like rescues and rehabilitation, specialized nutrition and breeding protocols, and 16 hectares of restored forest that turn awareness into tangible habitat. Your ticket helps fund it. Every visit matters. More than half of the birds you'll meet here came from official apprehensions, animals rescued from trafficking, mistreatment, or other human pressures. Many arrivals happen year-round through environmental agencies, and after evaluation, each bird receives specialized care or joins managed conservation programs. Others are hatched here as part of long-term breeding plans that help safeguard threatened Atlantic rainforest species. First, the Scarlet ibis, a blaze of red sweeping over the water, their color shaped by the rainforest's own diet. Then, the harpy eagle, one of the America's most powerful raptors, fierce and regal beneath the canopy. Nearby, the king vulture turns heads with its black and white plumage and a striking sculpted face. In the aviaries, clouds of parakeets ripple through the branches, while macaws paint the sky in blues, reds, and gold. And the toucans, with those iconic bills, show why the Atlantic rainforest thrives on movement, fruit, flight, and the seeds of tomorrow carried through the trees. Step inside the forest. In the Immersion aviary, there's no glass between you and the birds, just canopy, branches, and open sky. Macaws cross overhead, parakeets ripple through the trees, and toucans land so close you'll hear the snap of their beaks on fruit. Move slowly, keep voices low, and let the birds set the pace. This space is designed for quiet observation and safe proximity. Wide, accessible paths under living vegetation, perches at natural heights, and feeders that encourage natural behavior. For filming, watch the light. Late morning and mid-afternoon paint feathers with warm tones. And remember, no touching or feeding. Your best shot comes from patience, not from getting closer. Inside the bird park, you may encounter a surprising mix of species. Among the birds of the Atlantic rainforest, look for the red-legged sirima, flocks of macaws, elegant toucans, and delicate butterflies drifting through the greenery. You'll also see reptiles like iguanas, caimans, and aquatic turtles, often called tigre d'agua in Brazil. In the wetland areas, watch for the pink sweep of the roseate spoonbill, vivid scarlet ibis, and gatherings of flamingos. From Africa, the park features the striking gray-crowned crane and the intelligent African gray parrot. And don't miss a true giant from Australia, the cassowary, a powerful, prehistoric-looking bird you won't forget. As you move from aviary to aviary, notice how the park's design keeps you close to natural behavior. Fruit stations tucked into foliage, perches at canopy height, and calm zones that let the birds choose the distance. If you're filming, Work with the forest. Steady footsteps, slow pans, and pauses when the light breaks through the leaves. For families and travelers with reduced mobility, the flat paved trail and frequent rest stops make the day flow easily. And if you're visiting the falls on the same day, starting here adds context. You meet the rainforest's residents before witnessing the river's power.
What you want me